What's up, folks? It's Trader War. How are y'all doing, and welcome to Sunday Swingers. This is the third series that we've done on the YouTube. This is the 20th of the 1st. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hope you're all doing well. So for anyone who is new to the show, how it runs is this. We're going to start, so everything here on the right hand side of the screen, we're going to make our way through there. There's a few new little things in here that you didn't see last week, and I'll explain them as we go along. So how it works for anybody that's new is all of the green stuff on the right hand side here, that is going to be all the stuff that we're going to be doing here on YouTube. And as soon as we get down to alt of the week and Trader R finishes his alt of the week, then we're going to switch on over to our dashboard, and that's for members. So that's just the running order on how it works. Everything here over on this side in green we're going to cover here today. We're going to expand on this every week. So after week 5, this is going to double in size, this show. So we have only 2 more weeks to go. So interesting stuff, and bear with us as we crush on through it. So spin the wheel is something that we got so many requests in over the last few weeks, and then today we got more requests in again. So what we're going to do to chart your asset that you're asking for or requesting, what we're going to do is we're going to spin the wheel, and I'll show you that now in 2 seconds. So what we're going to do is we have some of your choices in there. We have some good, we'll freestyle it. If it lands on Duke's choice, we'll freestyle it. But some of these ones are that you've been asking for inside in X and YouTube. So that is that. Then we're going to move on to the weekly winner. So we did put out on our X Twitter page, if you can guess what Trader R is charting today, you win a free month's membership. So that's going to be coming up at the end of the show, just after the alt of the week. So stick around for that. And also we're going to have a giveaway every single week here at the Sunday Swinger Show. Each week will be something new. This week we're giving away a month's membership to Pro Traders Lounge. So yeah, that could be interesting. We'll have a bit of fun with that as well. We'll come up with something interesting for that one. What else do we have? Okay, so we're after kind of running through this, the weekly winner. We have the altcoin of the week by Trader R, and then we move down into what we have for our members here. We have the golden indices, we have all kinds of memes, and we have Bitcoin. So this week your golden indices is going to be done by the one and only Mr. Trader R for all of our members today. And if you do want to come in and try out a membership, we do have a 20% off discount code in the description down below, and that is 20% off. Use the coupon code when you go over to ProTradersLounge.com. ProTradersLounge.com. Stick in the coupon code, and that coupon code is Trader R is drunk. So yeah, if you want 20% off a membership to check out what's going on inside in Pro Traders Lounge, just type in Trader R is drunk while checking out. So as I was saying earlier, what we have coming up this week is golden indices with the one and only Trader R. This week I'm going to be covering in for Netzo, and I'm going to be doing altcoins. Going to have a look over a good few. I'm going to be looking for stuff that's looking to pop, to be honest. That's what I'm going to be looking for today. And then we have the one and only Mr. Michael when sailing on Bitcoin again. Michael's one of my favorite swing traders in the group, I have to say, and I'm looking forward to this as I do every other week. So that's that. What else we have coming up as well inside in Pro Traders Lounge this week, or Pro Traders Academy I should say, we have the follow-on of my futures trading strategy. Last week we done part 1, and that was on that was on a strategy I do on gaps, which is really, really good. Not many people are using it. And then next week we work off an initial balance strategy that I have. So we're moving through for the next another 2 weeks after this one. I'm going to be still working on future strategies and blending them in for all of our members in Pro Traders Lounge and Academy. So yeah, that's kind of a run through where we are. The third episode. I have to say I'm tired today. I'm tired today. The storm hit hard in Ireland the last couple of days, and I've been taking advantage of that, chilling out. But when I chill out, I get lazy as fuck. So that's where it's at. Okay. Let's see where we are. Right, let's see what we get. Dukey's choice. I think I'll just look at one of the ones that you were looking at, to be honest with you. So we had Trump coin, which I gave a setup on already on Twitter. So we have Bitcoin Cash, Solana, SHIB, Litecoin, and VeChain. I think I'm going to have a look at Litecoin because they're talking about an ETF on it now, so that could be interesting. That could be interesting. So why don't we check this one out? Litecoin. First thing I notice is this is given the same kind of price action as many other coins. It's starting to look like, let me see, where do we have XRP? We look at XRP and we take a fractal. So if you come over here and you're looking for the fractal tool, there it is. Let's just take the whole lot of it. So we take the whole lot of this price action, copy it, bring it down over onto Litecoin. See, do we have similarities? We do. So this move looks pretty. Take it from here. Forget about this bit. Even though this does look similar, take it from this low, you know, price is moving up fairly similar. See the way we got that move up? Pump, dump, impulse. Move up, pump, dump, impulse. Now we took it out on XRP and it didn't on Litecoin, and it kept on heading up. We also, if we look at it here, we have high, low, break and market structure, drop, high, low, break and market structure, drop, same thing. And then if we look over here, even the timing on it, you know, the timing is pretty much the same as well. So when we look at this area here and look at this area here, very, very similar. You know, this one's starting to move up above this range here now, and when this one done it, it just kept on impulsing. Okay, so that's giving us a heads up. That's similar price action. We'll have a look and see is there any other ones. Gas USDT looks fairly similar as well. Gas. Where are we? I really have to clean up this watch list. Gas. Fucking hell, I couldn't find it there for a minute. So the same kind of price action. Let's take it from that low again. Copy, same thing, back over to Litecoin. That was from this impulse, and paste. You can see there again a little bit similar, but this one moved beforehand. So this got this pump up and then a retrace. Okay, so this one is more leaning on what we're looking for. I've one more I want to look at, and that's FTT. You get used to looking at these fractals the more you trade them. So if I could only find them as easily as I can There we go. Okay, and now we will take this one. Let's take it from that low again. Copy. And down to Litecoin. A little bit different, in fairness. A little bit different. I won't be pushed, but I'll put it up. I'll put it up here anyway. Okay. Let's just take some volume and see where we're at. Okay, we're up at the value area high. So in terms of buying Litecoin, you would not want to be buying up here. You're up at the global value area high. You know, this is premium price. So you do not want to buy here. If you're looking to buy on Litecoin, you need to see either A, a pullback and find a higher low, or you want to go B, where she moves away, back test, and off to the races. Yeah, that's the only two times you will be looking for a long here, in my opinion. So drop down lower, or if this starts to develop a little bit more and we start to trade it on a lower time frame, we can get lower time frame entries from that. Okay. I want to go over to XRP again. Now I want to put a fixed range on this and see what happened. Let's put it to here. So XRP was also at the value area high. It come up to the value area high, and like we were saying, it consolidated. Now I know the timing is the exact same, but it consolidated sideways. So what we look for is a pullback to try and get in on that, or a flip of it. You know, a flip on a back test. So let's look for some resistance above. Get rid of that now. Let's go on to the 12 hour. Use your PVP indicator on TradingView is really good and underrated. And we mark in these high time frame levels. It's a naked point of control on the yearly. Let's look at the 6 month. Exact same level. So the volume is coming in on those wicks up there. Let's look at the quarterly. Okay, that's nice. Okay. The downtrend, we're sitting above that downtrend value area low. This is all stuff you can learn inside in Pro Traders Lounge. PC goes over great modules on impulse value. You should check it out. So we're at that point of control. Let's take a fib on this. High to low. Golden pocket coming up into the middle of that. A little bit too, you know, it would be nice. But is it a little bit too, you know, obvious? Okay. Try an extension here. For 1-to-1, 1618. 1272 is coming up into that region too. We've bounced off the 1-to-1, so we can get rid of it for now. So we're starting to get a bit of confluence up here for sure. With the fractal, don't leave a try off. On the fractal, obviously it impulsed to the upside. Don't leave that try. A fractal is a fractal. Each of them do their own move, you know. It can happen, but we still need to look for levels to the upside and downside, you know, and have that fractal in the back of the mind that it could just push up. Okay, so I want to take a TR pocket from range low to range high. If you want to learn the TR pocket, you come into Pro Traders Lounge or Pro Traders Academy, even, where you have the module on that also. Up here onto the TR pocket up above. And there's lots of statistics behind how to trade the TR pocket as well. So it's the 0.5 I'm interested in here. We use that golden pocket and it's coming down in that region too. So to the upside of two kind of zones I'm looking at. One obviously being up into that. It could be like a two, you know, if it's going to move up. It depends how this moves. Reaction only. If it was coming up, this is somewhere if you're already long, you would look for a hedge position or a scalp short. As it can come up, take that naked point of control again. If there's no reaction, there's no trade. You know, they're the levels I would look for a hedged short. If you're long, as I know a lot of Pro Traders Lounge are long on Litecoin. And I would like scalps fast in out at these levels and leave price develop. You know, you're better off waiting for price to come up into those levels and lose them, back test, and then look for that trade. You know, if you're looking for intra-week swings. But if you're scalping, there's a lot of people with you know, inside in Pro Traders Lounge, traders and the members that are, you know, up there, world-class scalpers now. So these are levels to look for a reaction. If you get the trade, or if you get the reaction, take the trade. If you don't get the reaction, take your finger off that trigger. Let's look here now. So we also have confluence down here with that golden pocket. There was the 0.5 down here as well, and we have that point of control. I'll look at some time in here now and see, can we see anything lining up? Really on that time frame. What I'm looking at here is this value area low. You know, right now we're struggling to get in here. Let's just mark it out. We'll mark out a line here. Value area low. So right now we've come up, failed auction in above it, dropped back down, tested it again. Like, we're not really in there yet. You know, we haven't closed anything significant in there, in my opinion. But nonetheless, we're working on it. If we get back within there and holding that, like if you get back in and clearly holding there, you know, that's a breakout, or not a breakout long, but a back test long that you're looking for there. That will give you what, 40 odd % move to the first area, 65% to the second area. So let's start putting a little bit of structure to this now. Now that we're finding our levels, let's put structure. So this previous range is very, very important. I'm going to leave that value area low there. Very important. Let's put in the value area high as well. As I said, it can blast right through these if we were to just base everything on the fractal, but we can't do that. So what I will be looking for is obviously if we get a pullback, you know, we're testing that value area high here how many times now? We keep coming back and testing it. I'd be looking at that as support. If we come back down into it, it is an area to look for a position down here, okay? Alternative to that, if we get more of a deep retrace and we gain acceptance back within this value area, well, then I'm going to be looking down to that golden pocket region down here, okay? So this one will be a real small position here, and scalps at that. They're the two to the downside. If we flip this, get a back test, it's only on the back test I would look for it. That is a position for me as well. Or I would be looking for it here. Let's mark it in a different color altogether. Let's mark the trade zones in red. Same down here. Up here in that mini range, so it tested that value area over here. Okay. And then to the upside. As I said, up here, hedged position number 1, and a scalp, and the same up above again. Again, I don't want to be predicting what happens when it gets there. We'll react when price gets there. You know, there's no point in going, okay, it's going to do this. We know the levels. Wait for price to do what it has to do. There's no point in looking any further than that. So that's that. That's what I'd be looking for on Litecoin. Obviously, if it breaks down and we don't hold on that point of control, you know, we're basically coming down to take out range lows, in my opinion. Okay. Yeah, I like that. So clean it up and even a little bit better. Remember, scalps up here. This is more of an this will be more of an intra-week swing. You know what? I'm not going to even mark them in. You can see what has to be done. Where you set your stop loss is none of my business. That is down to yourself. It depends on how much leverage you're using. It depends on how big your account size is. It depends on your trade style. And I would assume that everybody's using paper accounts, as this is non-financial advice. Okay, so that's it for Litecoin. Do we have time for another one? So we have Trader R coming in with his. Yeah, we have Trader R coming in with his. So let's leave Trader R come in with his altcoin of the week, and then what we're going to do is we're going to announce our winner for the 1 month membership free. We're going to announce that straight after alts of the week, and then for everybody else, for all of our members, we'll see you inside in the dashboard. If anybody does want to get a membership and join in for the month to check out these swing trades that we do every week on gold, altcoins, meme coins, Bitcoin, go over to ProTradersLounge.com and use the coupon code TraderRisDrunk to get yourself 20% off. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Mr. Trader R.
What's up, folks? It's Trader R. What's up? How are we all doing? Hope we're all doing good. Yeah, so look, we'll just follow up from what we had, you know. Of course, the first week we had XRP. And what I was looking for was a strong owl move up from the triangle into the TR pocket. And we got that move up. Perfect as well. Came into the TR pocket, got a rejection. This is where I was saying, all right, here we go. We are looking for this rejection up here in the TR pocket. Look at this. Perfect. Fucking perfect. Rejection. Down to the range high. This is kind of where I'm like, look, this could go either way here, because you hold the range high with a wick, high probability you're going to go up and take the current high. She really tried it, but the TR pocket, she said, no, not today. That fucking TR pocket is strong out. Jesus, whoever made this tool is some legend, I tell you. He just holding the market down completely, you know. So I would keep an eye on this. It can go up another time, run the highs, but I'm still kind of... I'm not sure. I'm not sure what to think here. My main plan is this goes down to the quarterly pivots, and their quarterly pivots are sitting down here, and we have yearly pivots sitting down here. And you know what? We're going to have monthly pivots down here, monthly, and that's going to be in a few days. Can we hold up here for the monthly pivots? Maybe we'll run the high one more time. But the thing is, there's so much reason to come down. I don't know. Does this keep going up? Trade wise, it's going to be a tough trade to actually kind of get into something like this unless the swing fails the high. Because look at this chap. It just looks like it wants to do a bar head and go down. So again, folks, keep an eye on this. You're going to have weekly pivots, but it's in a small range. It could drive up and take the highs. I think maybe it could take the highs, but overall, it looks like a bar to me. I would be cautious on this. And then we had LTC, right? The plan in LTC, we were looking at a higher time from triangle on this. A bit of a triangle, move up and move down, take the lows and move up. So what we kind of got what we wanted. We got the price action down here, but I was saying, I think it was, what was it here? We had a high and low. Look, this thing can go sideways a bit more, and overall, I wanted this thing to kind of go up. Overall, go up and then come back down. Do I have a trade for us on this? The plan was we wanted this to be kind of like this and this. That actually used that high. But overall, I'd like us to go up and take this high here and take that low as the range low. So we have this TR pocket sitting up here, you know. You could go like this if you really wanted to. It's very deep, very deep. So you do have, let me see what we have. We have liquidity sitting up here. Let's keep it simple. You have a TR pocket up there with liquidity. Perfect. I wouldn't say all like this. You want to be had. Wait a second. When you're thinking about this now, this is a tree. Okay. Yeah, in a triangle you want a three-wave move, and this looks like a three-wave move there. Does that finish there? Hopefully not. Hopefully not. We get this going like this, and we can use that high as a base to where if we lose that high, it's going to be a weakness, you know. We'll see what happens. I would like us to pop up and take this, and we get this high out, and then maybe we look for a trade back down possibility, and then continue this triangle, if you get me. So sell box. Yeah, I like that. I do like this. This on log to get this a bit further up. On linear, and there we go. Now, anything else we have up here? Give me a 786 if you could, maybe. 786. Oh, bang on. Okay. Nice. This whole area is very nice. TR pocket liquidity at 786. Potential the top of the triangle. That's all I need on this, to be honest. I don't need any more confluence. I don't need any more confluence on that. What I'm looking for is up here, take the highs and back inside the range. That's really it. Overall, higher time frame plan. We rotate down to the bottom of the triangle. But just this week for a trade, I'd like to get this into the 0.5 of the TR pocket. That's all I have on LTC. The next coin I'm going to be looking at is ETH. Right? ETH has been kind of chopping down here, and it has building up momentum, I have to admit. It looks like it wants to explode up. It really does. But for a trade long or a trade short, who knows? But look at the slings. Slings are not giving me anything here. You do look good down here. I'm not going to lie. You're making a nice little range. She could just look like this. She looks like she wants to go like this, to be honest. She looks like she wants to go like that. If we remember, let me see. I was looking at ETH BTC. How is she doing? ETH BTC. Here she is. How did we do off of this? I was thinking it might run the low again, but in a 4-day time frame, let's get rid of this for a second. 4-day time frame. This is the curve I'm keeping an eye on ETH BTC, and you could actually have a very nice pop. Quarterly pivots are sitting up here. Could take that low again. Could take that low again, but popping up here would be nice. That would give you more momentum on ETH USD. But overall, for a trade long on this, I would have to imagine taking the low here would be the best trade, the best option. Taking the low on maybe this. Down to here. You have a nice demand. Buying demand. Lovely demand there. To the back. That's a lovely TR pocket when you have to say. That's a lovely one, but it's too big. Whenever I see a TR pocket that's way too kind of, the length of it goes on for too long. But the structure of it, like it comes into it, not the best, I must say. Momentum wise, it looks like it could go right through. Not the best TR pocket because of the amount of time we spent on it. But for a trade, it is the only option for a nice swing long on something like this. Where it would probably go like this, and then boom, you have your trade long for a nice high or low, just to run these highs out. Just to run that out. Such a nice swing trade opportunity. I have to give it out because if it happens, it's just perfect. The likelihood of it happening is slim, but you know what? It's always possible, isn't it? We're in the trading game. We're in the trading business. These things happen. These things happen. So if you come down to that low, you get a nice little deviation of that low into the demand. That's a perfect. Oh, and they maybe come down. Yeah. That I do. Maybe a trend line as well. There's a lot saying she wants up, like fake out this trend line down to the TR pocket, trap those buys, liquidate those buys, and then all the people that are waiting on the sidelines get the momentum to break this trend line into this high as a trade. Perfect. And that's all I have for you today, folks. Let's see what these trades get along with, and trade safe. I'll see you again. Good luck.
Okay, that was great analysis from Mr. Trader R. So now we gotta find our winner of the month's membership. Let me see. So who got that right? Let me check through the comments. Gahali, I don't know how to say your name, but you're there. You have won a month's membership. Will you message the Pro Traders Lounge X account, and we'll go from there. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning into the Sunday Swinger Show. Please let us know what you thought. Give us your comments below. Give us a like and a share. And we will see you again next week. And for all of our members, we'll see you inside the dashboard. Thank you.